using single words for phrases and sentences. Words denoting places. Question 11. Are sleeping rooms in a college or public institution? A. Residence. B. Hostel. C. Dormitory. The correct answer is C. Dormitory. A sleeping rooms in a college or public institution is dormitory. Question 12. A Muslim place of worship. A. Jihad. B. Mosque. C. Hajra. The correct answer is B. Mosque. A Muslim place of worship is mosque. Question 13. A square courtyard bounded by buildings. A. Square. B. Quadrant. C. Quadrangle. The correct answer is C. Quadrangle. A square courtyard bounded by buildings is quadrangle. Question 14. A place where water is collected and stored. A. Storage. B. Reservoir. C. Well. Question 15. A place where ships are loaded and unloaded. A. Quay. B. Dry dock. C. Dock.